Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC736700 Sling Psychrometer. The IC736700 Sling Psychrometer allows you to obtain fast and accurate humidity readings anywhere without the need for batteries. It works by simply taking a measurement and comparing the dry bulb and wet depression readings on an included humidity table. This psychrometer uses a safe and easy to read red liquid in place of mercury that is recessed into protective plastic housing to reduce the risk of breakage. In the box there's a carry case for the psychrometer. It includes a button close and adjustable carry strap, a relative humidity table with one side for wet bulb depressions ranging from 10.5 to 20 degrees Celsius, and the other from 0.5 to 10 degrees Celsius. The dry bulb temperature is -5 to 50 degrees Celsius. And last of all, the Sling Psychrometer. This features a collapsible handle for easy storage. The bright plastic casing houses the wet bulb thermometer with a wick attached to the end, and the dry bulb thermometer. At the end of the device is a reservoir that houses the wick for the wet bulb thermometer. This reservoir eliminates the need to continually re-wet the wick. All there is to do is fill the reservoir and spin to take a reading. To watch a step-by-step video on how to take a measurement using this Sling Psychrometer, see the link in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.